consistency. If you've ever wondered whether you're missing out by ignoring the simple, steady paths, this video is for you. Let's define what we mean by boring businesses. These are companies that solve everyday problems, operate quietly, and rarely make headlines. They don't rely on trends or viral moments. Instead, they offer essential services or products that people need regardless of the economic climate. Think of businesses like cleaning services, document storage, or routine maintenance. They may not sound exciting, but their value is in their reliability. These businesses are often the backbone of local economies, quietly supporting communities year after year. How do boring businesses survive, even when others struggle? The answer is simple: they provide services people can't easily skip. In good times and bad, offices need cleaning, files need storing, and basic maintenance must continue. These businesses are less vulnerable to economic swings because their services are always in demand. While flashy startups may rise and fall, boring businesses persist. Their stability comes from meeting ongoing needs, not chasing the next big thing. Recurring payments are the foundation of predictable income. Unlike one-time sales, monthly subscriptions or contracts ensure that revenue keeps coming in. This predictability allows business owners to plan, invest, and grow with confidence. It also reduces stress since income does not depend on constant new sales. Recurring payments are not glamorous, but they offer peace of mind. For many, this stability is more valuable than excitement. Let's begin with cleaning services. Offices, clinics, and apartment buildings all require regular cleaning. This need does not disappear regardless of trends or economic shifts. Most clients prefer to set up ongoing contracts, paying monthly for consistent service. The work is straightforward and the business model is simple. While it may not be glamorous, cleaning services offer steady recurring income and a clear value proposition. Document shredding is another overlooked business. Many organizations must securely dispose of sensitive paperwork on a regular basis. By offering scheduled shredding services, companies can secure monthly contracts with offices, law firms, and clinics. The process is routine, but the need is ongoing. This business is rarely discussed, yet it provides peace of mind for clients and reliable income for owners. Pest control is a classic example of a boring but necessary business. Homes and businesses need protection from insects and rodents all year round. Most pest control companies offer monthly or quarterly plans, ensuring recurring revenue. The work is methodical and the results are valued by clients who want to avoid bigger problems. This model thrives on consistency and trust, not excitement. Every business relies on technology, but few want to manage it themselves. IT maintenance companies offer support contracts, handling updates, backups, and troubleshooting for a fixed monthly fee. This service is essential, especially for small businesses without in-house tech staff. The work is routine, but the value is in preventing problems before they start. IT maintenance is rarely glamorous, but it's always needed. Waste collection is a business that most people take for granted. Yet every home and office produces trash that must be removed regularly. Private waste collection companies often work on monthly contracts, providing reliable service and steady income. The business is not glamorous, but it is indispensable. Its strength lies in its predictability and the ongoing nature of the need. What do these business models have in common? They all solve ongoing problems that people and organizations cannot ignore. Their services are needed regardless of trends or economic cycles. By focusing on recurring contracts, these businesses create stable, predictable income streams. The work may be routine, but the peace of mind it brings is significant. This is the quiet strength of boring businesses. Choosing a boring business is not about avoiding ambition. It's about prioritizing logic over excitement. These models are built on clear, ongoing needs. They don't require constant reinvention or risky bets. Instead, they reward careful planning, attention to detail, and steady effort. For many entrepreneurs, this approach offers more peace of mind than chasing the next big trend. In uncertain times, stability becomes even more valuable. Boring businesses are often the last to close and the first to recover. Their clients depend on them, and their services are woven into daily routines. This resilience is not accidental, it's the result of focusing on real, recurring needs. For those seeking peace of mind, boring businesses offer a practical path. Predictable income allows for better planning. When you know what to expect each month, you can make informed decisions about hiring, investing, and growth. This reduces anxiety and helps business owners avoid the feast or famine cycle common in more volatile industries. Predictability is not exciting, but it is powerful. Peace of mind is often undervalued in business discussions, yet knowing that your income is stable and your clients are loyal can make all the difference. Boring businesses offer this peace by focusing on reliability, not excitement. For many owners, this is the greatest reward, far more valuable than fleeting attention or hype. Trust is central to the success of boring businesses. Clients return month after month because they know what to expect. There are no surprises, just consistent service. Building this trust takes time, but it pays off in long-term relationships and stable income. In a world full of uncertainty, trust is a powerful asset. Boring businesses are low drama by design. They don't attract headlines or spark debates. Instead, they quietly deliver value day after day. This lack of drama is a strength, not a weakness. It allows owners to focus on quality, efficiency, and client satisfaction without distractions. Many people overlook boring businesses because they seem unremarkable. Yet this very quality makes them attractive. With less competition and lower expectations, it's easier to build a reputation for reliability. For those willing to see the value in the ordinary, these businesses offer real opportunities. Long-term thinking is essential for success in boring businesses. These models reward patience, consistency, and gradual improvement. Instead of chasing quick wins, owners focus on building strong foundations. Over time, this approach leads to greater stability and satisfaction. Consistency is more valuable than hype. While exciting ideas may capture attention, it's the steady, reliable businesses that endure. By focusing on recurring needs and predictable income, boring businesses create lasting value for owners and clients alike. In the end, boring businesses offer something rare: stability, predictability, and peace of mind. They may not be glamorous, but they are dependable. For those who value logic and long-term results, these models are worth considering. The path may be quiet, but the rewards are real. If you appreciate realistic business ideas and prefer a calm, analytical approach, consider subscribing. It's a simple way to stay updated without searching for reliable content. For those who value consistency, subscribing can save time and help you focus on what matters most.